Tina, is it even possible for Donald Trump to receive a fair trial in New York?
Hi, Esther. You know what's interesting is actually in their bid to try and get this trial moved outside of New York, Trump's defense team commissioned a survey among 400 Manhattan residents, asking them if they had read about the trial. The majority had read, and his legal team took this as an indication that they would not receive a fair trial in New York, that since 35% of respondents said that they believed Trump was guilty, therefore Trump would not receive a fair trial. What they failed to mention, actually, is that the majority of these respondents actually said they still could be fair and impartial in this particular trial, despite having read all about the trial and having knowledge of it. So the jury selection process is proceeding.
And what are you learning from those attending the hearing and, the public that mirrors around the courthouse? Because, Trump has his following.
Definitely. Anytime Donald Trump is in New York, you can count on his supporters coming out. There have been dozens who have arrived outside of the courthouse behind me today, rallying for Trump, saying that this is political persecution, echoing a lot of the same language that he's saying, that this is an assault on America and this is election interference. But again, these 34 felony counts are really the bread and butter of the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. They prosecute other individuals far less famous every day on these same charges of falsifying business records. And it's less so about the hush money that was paid and more about how they were actually recorded as business and legal expenses when they weren't, to cover up the fact that of these alleged affairs in the run-up to the 2016 election.